Welcome to section 9.3, which is the first of two parts where we'll be adding the differential tests we created in the previous section to our CI pipeline. So let's have a look at the diff here in GitHub. The first thing that we've done is we've added a new job to our CI pipeline. This is a job to run the differential tests, and it consists of two key steps. So apart from the usual setup, we are capturing model predictions, and this capturing step loads the previous model version by installing from a different requirements file. So note this diff test requirements file. And then we run this script, capture model predictions, that we'll look at shortly. The second step actually runs the differential tests. So we do -m differential to select just the differential tests. But note here, we install the normal requirements file, which is going to install the current model. So this is how we create the comparison of the old and new. Let's continue looking through what we've changed. So here we've added the diff test requirements file, and this regression model package that we install needs to be the previous model version. We've added this capture model script, and basically what this does is it loads the data set and then runs the make prediction function from the regression model package. So we're importing it at the top, and then it captures those predictions in a CSV file that can then be accessed in the next CI step. This is the test itself. You can see that for now we're skipping it. We're going to actually run it in the next commit. And what we do is we load the previous prediction, so that CSV file that we saved in our capture script. We list the values, and then we perform predictions with the current model, and then we do a bunch of comparisons. So this is the same as we saw in the previous section, but you can see now how this all runs seamlessly in CI. So another thing to note is that we're incrementing the regression model version, and that will make sense in the next section when we look at this actually running. And we've made a few other slight improvements to the code look and feel here. So that's it for this section. We'll put everything together in the next section. Alright, see you then.